In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Facebook ads in Kenya. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just looking to give your online presence a boost, mastering Facebook ads can be a game changer. Today specifically, we'll navigate through the process of setting up your payment for Facebook ads if you're operating from Kenya, so buckle up for a detailed walkthrough. First off, let's dive into the Facebook Business Manager. This is your starting point for anything related to advertising on Facebook. If you haven't already set up your Business Manager, now is a good time to do so. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your Facebook credentials. This step ensures that you have the necessary administrative permissions to make payment settings adjustments for your ads. After logging in, choose the account you want to work with. If you're managing multiple accounts, make sure to select the correct one to apply the payment settings to. This is crucial as mixing up accounts could lead to billing the wrong business entity. Next, locate the ads section situated on the lower left panel of the interface. This section is your gateway to all things advertising on Facebook, including creating and managing your ads. However, our focus today is a bit further in, so let's continue by clicking on Ads Manager. The Ads Manager centralizes all your campaign activities, making it easier to see what's running, what's pending, and importantly, managing the financial side of your ads. Once you're in the Ads Manager, navigate to Billing and Payments. This is where Facebook consolidates all your billing information, payment history, and payment method management. Now click on Payment Settings. This page is critical as it's where you can add and manage your payment methods. Remember, Facebook offers various payment options, but available methods vary depending on your country. Considering we're focusing on Kenya, it's important to note that options might include credit and debit cards, mobile money, or direct bank transfers, among others. However, the specifics can change, so always check what's currently supported. At this point, you're ready to add a new payment method. Click on Add Payment Method. This action will prompt you to select your preferred way of payment aligned with what's available in Kenya. If you're using a card, you'll need to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CSC, card security code. For other payment methods, follow the prompts to securely link your payment option of choice with your Facebook ads account. A noteworthy tip here, when adding your payment method, ensure that the billing information is accurate and matches what your bank or payment service provider has on file. Discrepancies could lead to failed transactions or service interruptions, which could in turn affect your ad campaign's runtime. Also, bear in mind that based on the payment method you choose, there might be different processing times for transactions. It's always a good idea to make payments or update your billing information well ahead of your campaign start date to ensure everything runs smoothly. In wrapping up, it's vital to understand that effectively managing your payment methods on Facebook not only secures your transactions, but also ensures that your campaigns are not interrupted due to billing issues. Remember, the efficiency of your ad spend is partly determined by how well you navigate these back-end setups. We've now covered the steps to set up your payment for Facebook ads in Kenya, touching base on everything from accessing the Ads Manager to adding a payment method tailored to the options available in your region. It's essential to keep abreast of the payment options Facebook supports in Kenya, as these can evolve. Thank you for joining this walkthrough. Whether you're looking to boost your business, attract new clientele, or just spread the word about something you're passionate about, I hope this guide makes your Facebook advertising journey a bit easier and clearer. Dive in, apply these steps, and here's to your success on one of the world's leading advertising platforms.